morning guys, it's me again, Leticia's Kitchen. For today's vlog guys, magluluto ako ng shark fin soup with fish stomach. So ito yung shark fin guys. Ayan, napakalalaki ng shark fin at saka napakaganda ng pagka linis ng shark fin. Ayan, buo siya. Buo yung shark fin. And then maglalagay din ako dyan ng fish stomach. So ito na yung fish stomach. Hindi ko pa yan nakat. Ayan, ganyan siya guys. Yung fish maw yata pala ito. And then, maglalagay din ako dyan ng abalone. Abalone in can. Ayan guys. So, ito na. So, ito na. Nabuksan ko na yan. Ayan. Ganyan yung laman niya sa loob. Ayan, ganyan. Napakasarap niyan guys. Ayan. Ayan yung abalone. So, ayan guys, yung lulutuin ko ngayong tanghali. Ayan ang ating tanghalian ngayon. Ayan, napakasarap niyan guys. Try nyo itong ganitong recipe ng shark fin. Kasi ang isa pang nagpapalasa dyan guys, yung abalone sauce. Ayan, yung sabaw ng abalone. So, ayan guys. Dito yung ginawang sabaw. Bali, ito yung chicken soup. Tapos, naglagay din ako dyan ng abalone soup. So, ayan na guys, na timplahan na ito. So, may kaunting oyster sauce yan and many more ingredients. So, ayan ang ating sabaw ngayon. Mamaya ilalagay ko na yung shark fin. So, ngayon ilagay na natin ang shark fin. Ayan. Ilagay na natin. Ayan. Tapos, mamaya ko pa ilalagay yung fish maw at saka yung abalone. So, ayan guys, yung shark fin ngayon. Ayan. Pakuluan lang natin yan ng mga 1 hour. So now I'm going to cut the fish maw. So I will use. Wow, it's hard. Yeah, here. Like this. So you try this recipe guys. It's very delicious. It's fish maw. I will add it to the shark fin. Yeah, it's very hard. Okay. So here guys, now I'm going to add to the shark fins. Here is the fish maw. Ayan. Yeah, just add to the shark fin soup. Ayan guys, yung ating sabaw. Hindi pa siya kumukulo. Ayan, nandiyan na yung fish maw. So, mamaya I'm going to add the abalone. Abalone in can. So, ayan guys. Shark fin soup. So, here is the fish maw. And the shark fin is here. Here. Yeah, it's already cooked. So now I'm going to add the abalone. So we can just pour into it. Wow, so yummy. Here guys. So try this recipe. It's a very delicious recipe and tasty. So here is the shark fin. Ayan. So yan na guys. So we will boil it for 10 minutes. So it's already cooked. So now I'm going to put into the bowl. It's ready to serve now. So we will get one shark fin. Yes, it's very yummy. Wow, so big. Wow, here is our shark fin. And now we will get abalone and fish maw. So here is the fish maw. Wow, so yummy. And we will add some soup. Wow. So yan na guys. That is our soup. Shark fin soup. So, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to click like and share. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless. And please follow my Facebook page and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye. God bless.